Hello friends, in this video I will explain question number 3, all the questions from the question number 3. Okay. In my previous video I had explained question number 1 and question number 2. You will get the link of my video if you click the I button and my all the previous videos for the standard 12. Okay. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रों, यापूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एक्सप्लेन केलेला आहे. तो लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शनवर डिपेंडिंग असणारे क्वेश्चन होते. Now in this video we'll start the derivative of the implicit function. आणि माझे यापूर्वीचे व्हिडिओ तुम्ही आय बटन जर क्लिक केले तर 12वीचे सर्व व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी बघायला मिळतील. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट दी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. या क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 मध्ये सर्व implicit टाइप फंक्शन आहे and therefore we'll directly differentiate on both sides. Collect the terms of dy by dx on one side and then you will get the dy by dx. The first question is root x plus root y is equals to root a. Differentiate this with respect to x. What is the derivative of root x? Is 1 upon 2 times root x. Okay. And derivative of root of y is 1 upon 2 times root of y into dy by dx. Root of a, this is the constant quantity. Its derivative is 0. Okay. Next, dy by dx terms आपण हे left hand side ला ठेवणार आणि other than dy by dx to the right hand side. 1 upon 2 times root x happen right hand side ला it will become minus. Keep this dy by dx to the left hand side and therefore first this 2 will get cancelled. Then what you will get? That is a dy by dx. Okay. A dy by dx that is equals to इथे 1 upon root y हा न्यूमरेटर ला जाणार या साइड ला. Therefore it is a root of y upon here is a root x. And that is equals to minus in root of y upon x, and therefore dy by dx is equals to minus root of y upon x. Now तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Now the question number 2, x root x plus y root y, that is equals to a root a. Now x root x, the power of this x is 1, root x is 1 upon 2. त्याची किती? तर दोघांची टोटल केली, then you will get x raised to 3 by 2, y raised to 3 by 2, a into root a means what again? A raised to 3 by 2. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. A raised to 3 by 2, it's a constant, its a derivative is 0. And what about the derivative of x raised to 3 by 2? पुन्हा 3 by 2 पुढे 1 minus करणार आहेत ना. 3 by 2 minus 1, you will get x raised to 1 upon 2. Also the derivative of y raised to 3 by 2. पुन्हा इथे 3 by 2 पुढे घेणार. Y raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, you will get y raised to 1 upon 2 into derivative of y is dy by dx and that's equals to 0. पुन्हा दोन्ही साइडला 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Again, the transfer this 3 by 2 into x raised to 1 upon 2 to the right hand side, it will become minus. इथले 3 by 2 काय होणार? तर कट होणार. Okay. And therefore dy by dx is equals to minus x raised to 1 upon 2. A y raised to 1 upon 2 इथे मल्टिप्लाइड आहे. इकडे आल्यानंतर ते काय होणार? तर डिवाइड होणार. And hence you will get that is equals to minus sign इथे पुढे घेणार. What is here? X raised to 1 upon 2 means what? You will get root x, and y raised to 1 upon 2 means what? You will get a root of y, and overall you will get minus root of x upon y. This is the dy by dx, and hence the dy by dx is equals to minus in root of x upon y. Now तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Okay, now the next, x plus root xy plus y, and that's equals to 1. Again, this is the implicit function. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, derivative of x is 1 plus the derivative of root of xy is 1 upon 2 times root xy into the dx of xy. Derivative of y is dy by dx, derivative of 1 is 0. Okay. Now next, 1 plus 1 upon 2 root of xy into, we'll find out the derivative of x into y using the product rule. The first is x, keep x as it is. Derivative of y is dy by dx plus y as it is, derivative of x is 1. Bracket complete plus dy by dx, that's equals to 0. पुढे simplification करणार. काय simplification? Keep this one as it is. Next, 1 upon 2 times root of xy into x into dy by dx. हे multiplication करना. What you will get here? That is 1 plus 1 upon 2 times root of xy. This is the 1 upon 2 times root of xy into x into dy by dx. Next, 1 upon 2 times the root of xy into y into 1. Means y into 1 is y. Therefore, you will get y upon 2 in root of xy plus dy upon dx, and that's equals to 0. पुढे काय इथे x आपल्याला इथे मिळालेला, that is you will get 1 plus हा x and this root x, that एक root x यावरचा गट होणार, and therefore you will get here 1 upon, okay, इथे root x राहणार, here is a root x, इथला root x गट होणार आणि फक्त डिनोमिनेटरला root y शिल्लक राहणार इथे into dy by dx. Okay, this x can be written as root x into root x. One root x from the numerator, denominator get cancelled. Denominator la root x शिल्लक राहणार नाही, फक्त root y राहणार, numerator la root x, and hence you will get 1 upon 2 root x upon root y into dy by dx. Next, plus again this y upon root of xy. पुढे y म्हणजे काय, तर root y into root y, denominatorचा root y, numeratorचा एक root y cancel होणार, and then here you will get 1 upon 2 into the root of y upon the root of x plus dy by dx. Here is a dy by dx, and that's equals to 0. Next, we will collect the terms of the dy by dx on one side. Means what? इथे dy by dx है, here dy by dx. Therefore, I will collect here 1 upon 2 into root of, collect in a single root sign. एकाच root sign मध्ये आपण ते लिहिणार. Okay, dy by, here is a dy by dx plus, again this is the dy by dx. हे दोन्ही terms आपण जवळ येणार. And other than dy by dx, which are the terms? This is the plus 1 and again the plus 1 upon 2 root of y upon x. पुन्हा हे आपण right hand side ला जाऊ द्या ना, minus 1 minus 1 upon 2 in root of y upon x, and therefore collect the dy by dx. इतना dy by dx आपण common घेणार, that is 1 upon 2 in root of x upon y plus 1. इतना dy by dx जर आपण common घेतलं, bracket complete into dy by dx, and that's equals to minus 1 upon 2 root of y upon x minus 1. Okay, आता पुढे हे simplification करणार. हे simplification करताना इथे कसं केलेलं आहे, that is first is here root x upon 2 times root of y plus 1 bracket complete, okay, into dy by dx. Okay, and this equals to, again simplification here, पुढे इथे simplification minus 1 minus 1 upon 2, here is a root x, sorry, root y upon root x. पुन्हा 2 times root x ने या 1 ला multiply करणार, and then you will get minus 2 root x minus root of y upon 2 root x. पुढे इथेच देखील simplification आहे, 2 root y ने या 1 ला multiply करणार, then you will get root x plus 2 times root y upon 2 times root y, okay, and to the right hand side minus root y minus 2 times root x upon 2 root x. Okay, now the next simplification, this is the root x plus 2 times root y upon 2 root y into dy by dx, okay, minus root y minus 2 times root x upon, that is a 2 root x, and therefore dy by dx is equals to, okay, from both sides this 2 will get cancelled first of all. मग हे डिनोमिनेटरचे रूट y इकडे न्यूमरेटरला येणार, टेक द मायनस साइन ॲज अ कॉमन, ओके, Therefore, you will get first dy by dx on the left hand side ला फक्त dy by dx राहणार. या दोघांतनं मायनस साइन कॉमन करणार. If you take the minus sign, then you will get root of y plus 2 root x. Okay. And to the denominator, what you will get here? Root x. पुन्हा हा denominatorचा root y इथे numerator येणार. Okay. This is the root y. आणि हे न्यूमरेटरचं root x plus 2 times root y. तो या बाजूला डिनोमिनेटर येणार. This is the root x plus 2 times root of y. Okay. And if we simplify that, you will get minus हा root y upon root x इथे खाली हे लिहिणार. And then in bracket 2 times root x plus root y, and to the denominator root x plus 2 times root y, and this is your dy by dx. Okay. रूट मध्ये सगळं दिलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला ते समजायला अवघड जाईल. बट आय हॅड एक्सप्लेन हिअर इन अ व्हेरी सिंपल वे. ओके. हा बोर्डाला आलेलाच क्वेश्चन आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. x raised to 3 plus x square into y plus x y square plus y cube, and that's equals to 81. Again, this is the implicit function. म्हणून या टाइपच्या फंक्शनचे डेरिव्हेटिव्हज काढताना डिफरन्शिएट डायरेक्टली on both sides. The derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of x square into y. इथे product rule आपल्याला apply करायला लागणार. Keep x square as it is. Derivative of y is dy by dx plus y ddx of x square. Plus again इथे product rule, that is keep first x as it is. ddx of y square plus y square, then ddx of x plus y raised to 3. The derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx, and the derivative of 81, and that is equals to 0. Next, 3x square plus x square into dy by dx, y into derivative of x square is 2x plus x into derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx plus y square derivative of x is 1 plus 3y square into dy by dx, and that's equals to 0. Now collect the terms of dy by dx on one side. The first is a simplification करणार. 3x square plus x square into dy by dx. या दोघांचं multiplication, that you will get 2xy. Okay, the multiplication of these three terms, that is a 2x into y into dy by dx plus y square into 1, that is y square. Next, 3y square into dy by dx. Okay, and that's equals to 0. Collect the terms of dy by dx. Our first dy by dx, this is the second one, and this is the last one. Therefore, if we take the dy by dx common from all these three terms, first you will get x square, then you will get plus 2xy, then you will get 3y square, bracket complete into dy by dx. Other than dy by dx, कोणकोणते येतात? 3x square, हा आपण right hand side ला आणणार. It will become minus. Plus 2xy, तो left hand side ला आणणार, तो right hand side ला आणणार. Plus y square, तो left hand side ला, it will become minus here. Okay, and therefore dy by dx is equals to, पुन्हा यातनं काय करणार? The minus sign common करणार. If you take the minus sign, then in bracket you will get 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay. And hence dy by dx is equals to minus in bracket 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square, and this is the dy by dx. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Now the next, x square into y square minus tan inverse of in root of x square plus y square is equals to cot inverse of in root of x square plus y square. Now again, this is the implicit type function. X square into y square minus tan inverse of root of x square plus y square is equals to cot inverse of in root of x square plus y square. पुन्हा ही मायनस टर्म या बाजूला आणणार. ओके, That is, you will get x square into y square. This minus will become plus tan inverse of in root of x square plus y square plus cot inverse of in root of x square plus y square. आता सर्वाधिक महत्वाचा फॉर्म्युला इथे अप्लाय करणार आपण tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x and that's equals to pi by 2. म्हणून याची व्हॅल्यू किती येणार? The value is pi by 2 and therefore x square into y square that's equals to pi by 2. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, then you will get. Okay, इथे product rule apply करना. Keep x square as it is, ddx of y square plus y square into ddx of x square, ddx of pi by 2. The derivative of pi by 2 is 0. X square, the derivative of y square is a 2y into dy by dx plus y square into ddx of x square. The derivative of x square is a 2x. Okay, from both sides, 2 will get cancelled next time. Okay, इथे किती येणार? That is a 2. If you take the multiplications असं केलं आपण, then you will get 2x square into y into dy by dx. Other than dy by dx, हे term आहे ते आपण या बाजूला आणलं minus 2x into y square. And therefore 2 get cancelled. First of all, both sides. Next, इथे x square into y, x square into y. From the both sides, xy and minus 2 will get cancelled. Okay, इथे काय काय कट होणार? This 2 will get cancelled. 1x याच्यातला कट होणार, y जाणार याच्यातला, इथला x जाणार आणि एक इथे y शिल्लक राहणार. Therefore, you will get x into dy by dx and that is equals to minus 1. Therefore, x into dy by dx is equals to minus y. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to minus y upon x. And this is the derivative of this given implicit function. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Now the question number 6. X into e raised to y plus y into e raised to x and that's equals to 1. Again, this is the implicit type function. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, then you will get ddx of x into e raised to y plus ddx of y into e raised to x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Now here we will apply the product rule. X into ddx of e raised to y plus e raised to y into ddx of x. Okay, this is the first by applying the product rule. Next, ddx of y into e raised to x. Keep this y as it is, ddx of e raised to x plus derivative of y is a dy by dx. Keep e raised to x as a constant here and overall that's equals to 0. मग या दोघांना प्रॉडक्ट रूल आपण इथे अप्लाय केलेला आहे. फर्स्ट या दोघांना इथे प्रॉडक्ट रूल अप्लाय केलेला आहे. Now what is the derivative of e raised to y? E raised to y into dy by dx plus इथे e raised to y. ddx of x is 1 plus y into ddx of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x into dy by dx and that's equals to 0. Now we will collect the terms of dy by dx. Okay, that is a x into e raised to y into dy by dx plus e raised to x into dy by dx. इथे आपण ते कलेक्ट केले and take the dy by dx as a common. What are that terms? काय आहेत त्या terms? x into e raised to y into dy by dx. Next term काय? तर e raised to x into dy by dx. Other than dy by dx. कुठली terms आहेत? e raised to y into 1, that is e raised to y. Y into e raised to x, that is a y e raised to x. Therefore, ते दोन्ही terms आपण right hand side ला आणणार. That will become minus. Therefore, you will get minus e raised to y minus y into e raised to x. Now collect this dy by dx. Then in bracket you will get e raised to x plus x into e raised to y into dy by dx. That is equals to minus e raised to y minus y into e raised to x. And hence dy by dx is equals to. पुन्हा यातनं minus sign common काढणार. Okay. And therefore you will get minus e raised to y plus y into e raised to x upon the whole quantity इथे divide करना. Therefore dy by dx is equals to minus in bracket e raised to y plus y into e raised to x upon e raised to x plus x into e raised to y. This is the dy by dx. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Next, problem number 8. E raised to x plus y, and that's equals to cos of x minus y. Now differentiating both sides. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get the derivative of e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus y into ddx of x plus y, and that's equals to derivative of cos of x minus y is a minus sin of x plus y into ddx of x minus y. Okay. Now the derivative of x plus y. Okay. What is the derivative of x? The derivative of x is 1. Okay. I will write here one more step. This is the e raised to x plus y into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y is a dy by dx. That is equals to minus sin of x minus y into the derivative of this x is 1 minus derivative of y is a dy by dx. Okay. Next simplification. 1 into e raised to x plus y is a e raised to x plus y. E raised to x plus y into dy by dx is a e raised to x plus y into dy by dx. Next equal to sign. Minus sin of x minus y ने 1 ला multiply करना. Then you will get minus sin of x minus y. पुन्हा minus sin of x minus y ने या minus dy by dx ला multiply करना. That will become plus sin of x minus y into dy by dx. Now collect the terms of dy by dx on one side. That is e raised to x plus y into dy by dx minus sin of x minus y into dy by dx. Other than dy by dx काय काय आहे? That is e raised to x plus y. हे plus आहे. इकडे अंतर काय झालं तर minus sin of x minus y. Okay. Now collect the dy by dx. That is e raised to x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Bracket complete into dy by dx. And that's equals to take the minus sign. We will take the afterwards the minus sign common. यातनं minus sign आपण common घेणार. Then in bracket you will get minus sin of x minus y plus e raised to x plus y. हे मल्टिप्लाइड टर्म आहे. इकडे अंतर काय होणार तर ते डिवाइड झालेलं आणि यातनं मायनस साइन आपण कॉमन घेतल्यानंतर तिथे मायनस साइन आणलं. इट विल बिकम प्लस मल्टिप्लाइड and hence dy by dx is equals to पुन्हा न्यूमरेटर and denominator have the same sequence, that is a sin of x minus y plus e raised to x plus y. पुन्हा आपण हे मायनस साइन हे डिनोमिनेटरला अप्लाय करणार and this e raised to x plus y will become minus and minus sin of x minus y will become plus here, and hence dy by dx is equals to sin of x minus y plus e raised to x plus y upon sin of x minus y minus e raised to x plus y, and this is the dy by dx, and hence the answer dy by dx is equals to sin of x minus y plus e raised to x plus y upon sin of x minus y minus e raised to x plus y. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा बघू शकता हे. सर्व examples implicit type of the functions आहेत ते. Now the problem number 8. Cos of xy is equals to x plus y. Now differentiate this with respect to x. The derivative of cos of xy is a minus sin xy into ddx of xy. Now the derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is dy by dx. Okay. Now find out the ddx of x into y. First x as it is, derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x. ddx of x is 1. That's equals to 1 plus dy by dx minus sin of xy, x into dy by dx, y into ddx of x is 1, y into 1. That is equals to 1 plus dy by dx. Okay. पुढे multiplication minus sin xy into x into dy by dx minus x into sin xy into dy by dx. पुन्हा minus sin xy ने या y ला multiply करणार. Then you will get minus y sin of xy is equals to 1 plus dy by dx. Now collect the terms of dy by dx on one side. Now first term हे as it is इथे घेतलेलं आहे. हा plus dy by dx आपण left hand side ला आणला. It will become minus this 1 as it is, then minus y sin of xy transfer to the right hand side, it will become plus. Now collect the dy by dx, then you will get, and collect the minus sign. या दोघातनं मायनस साइन आपण इथे कॉमन काढलेलं आहे. Then you will get 1 plus x into sine of xy, dy by dx is common. Therefore minus in square bracket 1 plus x into sine xy, bracket complete into dy by dx, and that's equals to 1 plus y sine of xy, and hence dy by dx is equals to, हे मायनस होल टर्म इकडे डिवाइड झालं, ओव्हरऑल त्या टर्मला मायनस साइन मिळालं. ओके, that is a plus upon minus is overall minus, and hence dy by dx is equals to minus in square bracket 1 plus y sine of xy upon 1 plus x sine of xy. Okay, this is the dy by dx. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा इथे बघू शकता. Okay, now the last problem from the question number 3. e raised to x minus y is equals to x upon y. Okay, now this is the again implicit function. पुन्हा या एक्सपोनेन्शियल फंक्शनच आपल्याला लॉगरिथमिक मध्ये कन्वर्ट करता येईल. This is the e. Okay, if we take to the right hand side, it will become log of x upon y, आणि हा e raised to x minus y इथे आलेला आहे. Okay, and therefore we can convert the exponential function to the logarithmic function. That e raised to x is equals to y means x is equals to log of y. Similarly here, हा e raised to, हा e तो right hand side ला आला, तो काय होणार log of x upon y. Therefore e raised to x minus y is equals to log of x upon y, and hence e raised to x minus y is equals to log of x upon y means what? Log x minus log y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Okay. What is the derivative of e raised to x minus y? E raised to x minus y into ddx of x minus y. It's a composite function. X minus y is a derivative, find out kanda. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Derivative of log of y is 1 upon y into derivative of y is dy by dx. पुन्हा आता ddx of x minus y करणार. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of y is dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x minus 1 upon y into dy by dx. E raised to x minus y into 1 is a e raised to x minus y. E raised to x minus y into dy by dx is minus e raised to x minus y into dy by dx, and that's equals to 1 upon x minus 1 upon y into dy by dx. Now collect the terms of dy by dx on one side. Minus 1 upon y into dy by dx आपण हे right hand side ला, left hand side ला आणणार. हे term as it is आहे. या दोघातनं dy by dx कॉमन काढलेला आहे. Therefore you will get 1 upon y minus e raised to x minus y, and that's equals to 1 upon x, okay, minus e raised to x minus y. पुढे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार. या y ने या टर्मला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. या y ने e raised to x minus y ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. 1 minus y into e raised to x minus y upon y, bracket complete into dy by dx, and that's equals to, पुन्हा या x ने याला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. 1 minus x into e raised to x minus y upon x, and therefore this simplification dy by dx is equals to, this is the dy by dx, and that's equals to, हा divided y इकडे न्यूमरेटर लेणार, and it will become y upon x. हा y इथे न्यूमरेटर लेणार आणि हा डिनोमिनेटरचा x इथे. Therefore it is a y upon x. Next, 1 minus x into e raised to x minus y. This is the 1 minus x into e raised to x minus y upon 1 minus y into e raised to x minus y. 1 minus y into e raised to x minus y. Okay. And hence dy by dx is equals to y in bracket 1 minus x into e raised to x minus y upon x into in bracket 1 minus y into e raised to x minus y, and this is the dy by dx. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता. One more property here. The exponential function can be converted into the logarithmic function. Simple लक्षात ठेवायचं. हा e जर right hand side ला आला, it will become logarithmic function. and therefore e raised to x minus y is equals to log of x upon y. And then differentiate. And in this way, we have completed the question number 3. Now we'll see in the next video for the question number 4. If you click the I button, then you will get all my previous videos. Now we'll see again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.